What are the main features of Java? Object-oriented. In Java everything is an object. Platform-dependent. Java converts the code into bytecode and which is platform-independent. Secure. Java provides very much security than other languages. Portable. It is portable cause code can run on any machine. Robust. It uses compile time error checking and runtime error checking, so it is robust. Multi-threaded. Java provides multi-threaded features. Interpreted. Java program is first compiled into bytecode which JRE can understand. Bytecode is then interpreted by the JVM, making it as interpreted language. Distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment of the Internet. Dynamic. Java can carry extensive amount of runtime environment. What are the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming? There are four major principles that makes Java language as object-oriented. Encapsulation. Wrapping of code and data into single unit is called encapsulation. For example, Java class is an example of encapsulation. Inheritance. When one class object acquires all the properties of the parent object is called as inheritance. Abstraction. Hiding internal details and showing only functionality is called abstraction. X. Man driving a car. He know how to drive but he don't know how internal parts works. Polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways is called as polymorphism. For example, to draw something. Explain JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK is Java Development Kit, which is core component of Java environment, which provides all tools, executables, and binaries required to compile, debug and execute the Java programs. It is platform-specific. JVM, it is Java Virtual Machine which is responsible for loading, verifying and executing the Java bytecode. It provides a runtime environment for execution of bytecode and also it does memory management and garbage collection. JRE is implementation of JVM, it provides a platform to execute the Java programs. JRE contains JVM, binaries, and other classes. It does not contains compiler, debugger. Explain public static void main, string args, in Java. It is an entry point of Java programs. Let's understand each element. Public, it is access modifier which specifies from where and who can access the method. And it is making main method globally available. Static, it is keyword in Java which makes main method as class-related method. So JVM can invoke it without instantiating the class. Void, it is keyword which specifies that a method doesn't return anything. Main, it is Java main method. JVM looks for it as a starting point of Java program. It is not a keyword. String args, it stores a Java command line arguments. Why Java is platform independent? Java programs can run on any operating system or processor. Here is the diagram in which you can see that Java source code is compiled into Java bytecode. Then Java bytecode is handled by either Java interpreter or bytecode compiler. And then it gets converted into machine code. The bytecode is sent to JVM and then JVM recognizes the platform. And then it converts the bytecodes into the native machine code. Hence Java is platform-independent language. But JVM is platform-dependent. Why Java is not 100% object-oriented? Java is not fully object-oriented because it uses primitive data types like int, byte, long etc. which are not objects. That's why we cannot say Java is 100% object-oriented. What are the wrapper classes in Java? Wrapper classes are those whose objects wraps the primitive data types within them. In java.lang package of Java, each primitive class have separate wrapper class. These are following wrapper classes. What is the difference between this and super in Java? This represent a current instance of a class and super represents the current instance of parent class. Both are used to make a constructor call. Super is used to call a base class constructor. And this is used to call current class constructor. Is constructor inherited? A subclass inherits all the members of parent class like fields, method, and nested classes. But constructors are not members. So they are not inherited by subclasses. But constructor of superclass can be invoked from subclass by using super. Why Java strings are immutable in nature? What is immutable object? Object whose internal state remains constant after it has been created. It means if object is created it cannot be updated. When any string has been created in the Java it will be cached into the string pool. And string pool. Only one object will be there for any specific string. So that's why we call string as immutable in nature. It gives the security in Java. And also being immutable automatically makes string thread safe, since they won't be changed when accessed by multiple threads. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see the another set of question in the next video.